Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel with Priyanka series 3. In previous class, we have studied about what is ribbon, quick access toolbar, what is number bar, formula bar, worksheet, workbook, default alignment, and number formatting. So today our goal is to create a small project where we will be learning some of the basic Excel tricks and magics happening, and in this project we will be also covering some of the basic Excel's concepts. So now let's get started here. So our goal is to create a grade book like this. So in this practice session we will be starting with our practice. Here we will start with entering the data. We'll type it here name, and after typing we will enter control enter. This will make the cell selected, and if the name is written, the name will be like it will keep the things in the cell and it will keep the cell selected. So second we will be entering is test 1 space 1, control enter. And what is this square box here? This is a magic square box called a fill handle, which helps us to save multiples of the extra clicks that if it would have not been there, then we would have to do it. So with this click it will. And what is this here? This sign, this is a crosshair cursor. What we call this? This is a crosshair cursor. So with the help of the fill handle, we can fill the cell like this. See, automatically the magic happens and the cells got filled. So next is, we'll be entering our data. Quiz 1, control enter, for getting the cell selected. Till here, we will total the marks, control enter, tab for moving to the next cell, grade percentage here, control enter, top. Here we will put the max point, so max point for test 1, and typing it 100, control enter. We want to see the fill handle is helping to fill the cell. We will, with the help of shift cell, we will select the cells whichever we want, and then the light color cell which we are seeing is a active cell. We will enter the number there. We'll do control enter, which helps again in filling the cells simultaneously. Next is, we will enter it here. Here also we want to make a total, control enter. Want to make a border out of here, so press shift button and then select the cell. Shift button, and then the cell got selected. Now remove the shift button, press control and shift and click the cell where you want to get the cell which you want to make it selected. So you need to click it here. The cell is selected. Go here, press all borders. The border is applied across the cells. Now we will enter the data. Ram, Raju, Rohan, Kalash, Love, Mickey. How many? Yes, we have entered the data. Now I also want to make an average Control enter. Now I want to select the entire rectangle which will be having the data of test and quizzes data. So for this also we can, there is a way of selecting like this, or we can also select with the help of a shortcut button which is there in our keyboard, that is Control Shift 8. See, it's got selected. Now I want to apply a border here all across. See, the entire cell is having border now. Now I want these cells to have a color in it. So we'll do the style formatting by filling the colors, here, and by filling the color and the font color. We'll click here, do like this. Font color we will change it to white, so it is visible now. So there is another thing which we'll be discussing now, which is a format painter. So I want the same formatting to be applied here as well as here. So for this, here is a format painter which you are seeing it. We'll click it here and then we will click it here. So it is applied. Other ways is we will do the right click here. A small toolbar has been opened. We'll double click it here. This time I have double clicked it. Last time I had just single click was there. So I'm clicking the cell which I want to be format. This and this. Again, the format, this brush icon is there with the plus sign. You are seeing the brush icon. So how to now remove this brush icon? We need to press the escape button to remove this brush icon. So here you are seeing total and grade percentage. So here we will be applying some formulas. So for applying the formulas, I want the cells to have a different color, so that we can, by seeing only we can make out that yes, some formulas has been applied here. See, here also the formulas will be applied. Done. So this is the basic thing which we have done. We have remained with entering the data and doing the formulas. Next concept we will be learning is how to enter the date in a cell, active cell. So with the help of a button in our keyboard, we'll press Control and semicolon. See, the today's date has been entered. Here with the help of a free handle, we drag like this. The date is, oh, whoa, what is this? This is a fence? No, the cell is not having enough space that the data can be entered. So we need to do what? See, we will select this entire thing, and then in one of the cursor here, we will drag it like this. So the entire, this dragging is applied all over the columns which has been selected. So the evenly increase in the cells width will happen. If we will do individual dragging also, individual increase also like this, increasing, then only this cell has been narrowed down. Rest of the cell was there as it is. We'll do Control C and it is like that how it was. So you are seeing the date has been filled automatically. This is a function which is available there in our Excel. Next is, we'll put it, today is Saturday. Control Enter. With the help of the free handle, we will fill the entire cell, and we are seeing the entire cell has been filled now. So we'll see with the months, if it is happening with the months or not. Let's just check it. Yes, Control Enter. Drag it. Oh, very nice. It's filled. Date we will put 1st January 2025. Control enter, and again with the help of fill handle, see the date is also filled. So here one small box you will be seeing which is having a autofill options. In my audio video, I don't know why it is not capturing the window which is I'm opening here. So here there is an option of fill months. So I am selecting fill months. You try from your end. If it is available, it will be available there and you will be able to see it. In my video, I don't know why this window is not getting captured. I will solve this problem later on. So I have just clicked the fill months and the first of every month has been filled. 1st of October, 1st of September, 1st of August, like this. Next is, see, Sunday or Friday. Friday, control enter. It is filled. So from Friday it is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In this there is a very nice option for fill weekdays. If you want to mark attendance of the employee or the students, so by clicking the fill weekdays option here, we will have only the weekdays and will be eliminating the Saturday and the Sunday thing. See, from here the Saturday and the Sunday has been removed. Friday, Monday, Friday, then Saturday, Sunday has been removed, Monday has come, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. From Friday again jump to Monday. So this is the very we have a very important things concepts which is there in our Excel. We can use it while making a reports. Next is we will be seeing the patterns here. So suppose we are typing it here 2, then 8, and by selecting both of the cells, again with the help of fill handle, we want to fill these cells and see what's the magic. 2, 8, there is a difference of 6 plus 6 is happening here. So the Excel is identifying the pattern and in the same pattern the cell is getting filled. The very important things which will be helpful if we'll be using keep using the Excel further, so it will be very useful for us. Now is we will be entering the data here. Ram, for test 1 it is suppose we will select the cells first and start entering the data. 80, enter. 86, enter. 97, enter. 99, enter. 100, enter. 87, enter. See again this it is automatically from Mickey, it is test 1 from Mickey, that cell it is automatically moved to, the cell has been moved to test 2 first column. How much? 100, enter. 100, enter. 98, enter. 99, enter. 67, enter. 87, see the movement. 98, 76, 45. I may be not fair if I'm entering any less number for the people. 90, 98, 76, 92, 87, 89, 99. Sorry, for it came to quiz section. So for quiz, the marks is only of maximum marks is only of 30, 25, 28, 26, 26, 28, enter, 21, 20, 30, 24. Along with me, you also keep entering the data. 28, 30, 30, 27, 26, 25, 28, 29, 26, 23, 22, 21, 20, 30, 30, 30, 29, 28. And this is all the numbers which I have entered it here. Now we need to find the total of all the marks obtained by Ram, including tests and all the quizzes. So there is a very nice shortcut here for calculating the sum function, and the shortcut is in your keyboard. There will be alt function and equal to sign. So press the alt and equal to, you see the sum function is already applied here over the entire cells from test 1 to quiz 4, C8 till J8. Sing control enter. We are getting the sum here. So if the same, if you have to add for all the students the sum here, so we will not calculate one by one. There is a trick for this as well. If you press the F2 button, the formula will appear in the cell. So you are seeing the formula has already been appeared. Control enter, the sum is there. There is a this square box which is a free handle. With the help of that crosshair cursor, we will move it till down and see the entire cell is filled with the total numbers. So for cross checking this, if we will enter, we will see the last cell of Mickey, the marks. If you put the F2 button, you'll see this is C13. C13 means for Mickey test 1. Yes, marks 1. And J13 is the column where Mickey with the quiz 4 marks. Entire cell has been selected and has been added. And the same happened for everything. F2. See, 12, 11, 10, 9. And what we call this? We call this a relative cell reference number. What is this? This is a relative cell reference number, because we are applying the sum in this cell K8, but automatically by just dragging this fill handle, the cell number is automatically getting changed. This is called relative cell reference number. And here for getting the grade percentage, what we have to do? We have to do the total maximum of the total. Again here alt and equal to sign. Control enter. See, the sum of all the marks, maximum marks has been added here. Again do the F2 button here. Here these marks will not change. For grade percentage, what we have to do? For grade percentage, first character will be equal to sign. Then we will be dividing the number the customer has, the total number of the customer has got in the exam divided by the total marks. So with the help of the cursor, like arrow key, we will do it. Equal to shift left arrow, division, up, 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 left, sorry, something happened here, equal to here this divided by up, 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 right, K5 has been selected, control, enter. So for the grade percentage, this marks, see, F2 we need to click. This K8 will be the relative cell reference which will be changing for entire students, but K5 the total marks will remain the same. So for this we need to lock the K5. So for locking the K5 we need to press the F4 button. See, it has been locked, and the dollar sign has been appeared here. It means the column and the row has been locked here. Control enter. Now we will use the free handle and see the percentage has been calculated. We'll see the last cell, do the F2 button and see K5, K13 is for the Mickey, but K5 has for the total marks, is for the total marks. For F, for Eclav, the same thing, K12, K11, K5, K10, K5, F2 button, K9, K5. So, and this is K5 is called the absolute reference. This is the absolute reference which will remain same for the entire students for in calculating the percentage. So this is all about today's class. Rest for calculating the average we will be doing it in tomorrow's class because the video is getting little longer. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you are liking and the video is helping you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next class.